Are you tired of growing Twitter manually? Scrolling, liking, following every single day? What if your accounts could grow automatically? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to auto-grow multiple Twitter X accounts using a powerful tool called MKT X without hiring staff or spending hours daily. Whether you run personal brands, niche accounts, OnlyFans marketing, crypto pages, business pages, or client accounts, growth equals money, and when you scale with automation, you can grow 10, 50, even 200 accounts at the same time. That's the real power of MKT X. Step 1. Manage unlimited accounts inside MKT X. You can add as many accounts as you want. Each account runs with unique fingerprints, proxies, private browser profiles, meaning no bans, no flags, no shadow banches. Safe, long-term growth. Step 2. Create your growth script. Now let's auto-grow your accounts. We go to intention script, gives add new script. Here we can choose actions like auto-follow specific users, auto-follow suggested users, auto-like, and auto-retweet, auto-interact with targeted accounts. We scan it. This means you control exactly who you grow from: creators, crypto influencers, fans, businesses, models, anything. I'll select a simple growth script for this demo. Now we choose how many accounts to run at once. I'll set 8 threads, give select my accounts, gives hit start. Watch this. The software opens 8 browsers automatically, logs in safely, scrolls, tweets, likes, follows, and retweets exactly as scripted. No hands, no effort. With MKT X, you're no longer doing social media. You're scaling your business. More accounts gives more reach, gives more followers, gives more clients, gives more money. Want a free consultation and trial? Message me on WhatsApp or Telegram, links pinned below. Subscribe for more automation tools that grow your brand while you sleep. See you in the next video.